Hello student, good morning. I hope you all are fine. So in our last two part of this chapter we had learned some features in MS Word, like what is word processor, how you can insert data in your document, how you can check spelling and grammar mistake. Okay, and in the last what is the use of drop cap features. So today we will learn last part of this chapter. Okay, that is how you can add the line numbers in your document. So let's start with the adding line number. You can add line number to the left edges of every line of your document for referring to the location by their line numbers. So this feature mainly help in proofreading. You can see the line numbers on the screen only in a print layout view. So to start adding line numbers, you will need to open your Word document. In the ribbon bar at the top, click on the page layout tab from here and then click the line numbers button. Okay, so once start the line numbers will appear on the left side of the document page. So here I will show you how can you add line numbers in your document. So you need to follow some step. Make sure that you are viewing your documents in a print layout view. You can see here this is a layout tab. So click on page layout tab, then click on line numbers button. So when you click on the line numbers button, click on the line numbers options. Here you can see there are lots of options. So in the example we are using continuous option. Okay, Word assign line number to the each line of your document. Now you can see you used adding line numbers in your document. It will be look like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and so on. In the next, creating a newspaper column. This feature is used to display the text in the form of columns, as you must have seen in the newspaper. So creating a useful in documents such as newsletters and brochures, the step to apply newspaper column are. Okay, tell me one thing. Have you noticed how newspaper articles are designed? Yes, the content is set in a columns. So let's assume that you have to design newsletter for topic hardware. So on the screen is an article on the topic of hardware that you want to put in the newsletter. So let's set it in columns like the articles in newspapers are. In your Word document, select the text you want to arrange in column. So here you can see I want to select it. Okay, now go to page layout in the menu bar, page layout in the menu bar and select columns in the ribbon. A window will open. Select here number of columns. In this example you can see I choose number of columns is 2 and my hardware article is divided into two parts, the first part and the second part. So you can choose numbers of columns more. If you choose numbers of columns in 3, your article will be divided into 3 parts like this, 1 2 and 3. Okay, so you can choose your column numbers. So Word will fill one columns with text before starting a new columns. To remove newspaper column, repeat step 1 to 4, selecting one columns in step 4. And what was the step? Select the text you want to place into columns, then click on page layout view, and then click on columns button. Click on the numbers of the column that you want to assign. Okay, so if you want to delete, you have to repeat step 1 to 4, and in the last step you will select delete option, okay, to delete your newspaper column. Next is creating a table. You can use tables to arrange all the part of your document into columns and row. The table option inbuilt in the MS Word program is a useful formatting tool which allow you to easily insert row and columns. Now you can see here there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So what is the table? Yes, table is the combination of row and column. So the table is MS Word consists of a grid of boxes arranged in a row and column. Someone like a spreadsheet, table can be customized and are useful for various tasks such as presenting textual information and numeric data. So how can you add table in your document? Yes, here you need to follow some step. Click on the document where you want to insert a table. Then click on insert tab. Where is insert tab? Yes. And then click on table button. Drag the mouse pointer until you highlight the number of rows and column you want to table to contain. Okay. Then Word preview the table as you drag over the cells. Now here I want to create a tables 3 rows and 4 columns. So I choose the margin of the tables. Word adds table to the document. Table tool appears on the ribbon. Okay. Now entering and deleting text in a table. You can enter your data in your table and you can also delete text in your table. But how? Yes, here you can see the example. To insert a data in your document, you can enter the text in a table as you entered it in your document. But how? Yes, click on the cell where you want to enter text. Then type your text. Then repeat step 1 until you finish entering all the text inside the table. You can press the tab key to remove the insertion point to the next cell. The next is how you can delete text in your table. Yes, click on anywhere in the table which you want to delete. So if you want to delete this table, you can choose delete table. If you choose delete cell, it means it will be delete only your one cells. When you click on this delete column, it will be delete your column. And when you choose delete rows, it means it will be delete your only rows in a table, not a whole table. Okay. And when you select this delete table, so it means your whole tables will be deleted. Okay. Next is apply tables style. You can format your table by assigning the formatting style that are designed especially for tables. Table style offer a variety to design that including shading and coloring border and font. So you can apply tables. You need to also follow some step to apply style tables in your formatting your tables. So click on anywhere in the table that you want to format, and then click on design tab. Now you can see here, where is the design tab? Yes, design tab on the ribbon. Then click on the style format, the table style list. You can click on the down arrow button of more to display the entire plates of available style. So you can choose any style of your tables. So you can use the table style option by clicking on the check boxes in this area. Okay, so there are three ways to insert table in MS Word. So you can also create a tables in a shortcut keys. So would you like to know how you can insert table through shortcut keys? Yes, you have to just press Alt plus N plus T plus I. So when you press these shortcut keys, so you will see you can create your table. So this was all about the features in MS Word. In our next video you will learn what is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so bye.